Oh my god.
Boy, I wish I still could rot in my bed now. I am so tired. Anyway, guys, today I'm gonna restock my food and Stars that is still empty till today. So I'm gonna go to the supermarket and restock everything that I haven't restocked right now because I am lazy. Feel the rain on your skin. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna wash my face because my face feels so sticky. I think it's because of my drool or something. Okay, now I'm just gonna eat breakfast and get ready to go to the supermarket. I don't know why, but like living alone is sometimes peaceful and sometimes scary too. Like this snowstorm, I was so not prepared for a snowstorm, and I live alone. This salad is so good, especially the ranch. It adds more flavor. And like the next day, I have to go to work because there is this elderly that has a book with me, and she dookie and pee everywhere, and I have to clean it up. And honestly, I don't like that, but I guess I have to do that. Okay, y'all. Now I'm gonna change my clothes and see you later. Ooh, this dress ate. It gives Halloween vibes, but why is my hair turning gray? Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna get my cart and we're gonna go to the supermarket and get all the food. I don't know why, but like I have this massive background. I don't even know what to date it with. Like, please give me an idea. Ooh, it's dark in here. I utterly wanna like renovate my house because I don't know why, but it's very boring. But like it costs so much. So tell me if I should rebuild my house. And maybe I'll give you a tour to my new house later. Okay guys, so I just got back from the groceries and I bought a lot of things, let me guess, but mostly I bought is the junk food. So I guess I am really trying to buy a lot of organic food, but like I can't help it, the junk food looks so good. Okay, so I just put the shop bag inside my snack area and my organic food and healthy food, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I organized. So I bought a lot of the organic cereal, oatmeal cereal, and yeah, stuff like that, because like when I tried the cereal for the first time, actually it was really good, so I decided to buy more. And I also bought a couple of junk food to comfort me when I guess I'm on my monthly, and more junks, more junks, more junk. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you my upstairs snack closet room for my movies and stuff. Okay guys, so we got all of this junk food. We got Oreo dips, we got a lot of junks in, and I'm thinking about watching this movie called Welcome to Derry. I see it in TikToks everywhere. It's like so scary but so interesting, so I think I'm gonna watch them. Okay guys, I'm feeling really stinky and I feel so sticky, so I'm just gonna shower and change into my PJs since it's almost time for bedtime. Hey!
Here comes the hurricane, bitch.
Okay guys, anyway, so now I'm gonna make a little meal for myself and watch Welcome to Derry. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you to my secret playhouse beside my house. I made it all by my own. I'm so proud of myself. Ew. Okay guys, now I can't wait to show you the playhouse, so let's go. Ooh, oh my god, it gives us Alice in Wonderland. Ooh, look at this girl all by myself. Did it all by myself. Feeling proud, feeling good. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna end the video until here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And Jesus love you. Bye.